little nook for us to have a picnic and read my book. Whoa! The tree must be like a million years old. Let's sit in the shade. Yes, it's by this river, in this lovely forest glade. Place the basket here. Now put the blanket there. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! All right, you win again. Let's see what we've got. Oh, I hope you've packed my favorite. I cannot wait to savor it. Yes! Tomato stuffed triple meatball, chicken nugget pizza. Sean, you really shouldn't litter here. The Ogga Loggas might be near. What a ho-ha! You've never really heard of the Ogga Loggas. Nope, they sound made up. Well, listen to me now, for this is no fairy tale. 10,000 years ago, Mother Nature chose 3 mortals to guide the water, earth, and air. Yet 3 can never vanish. 2 will always turn against the one. And so the guardian shuddered, bringing a great ice age with their wars. In anger, nature turned them into brutes with claws and horns, known as Ogga Loggas, till balance is restored. Nature notice us all with burning desire. the ugly one.
And already tripping, and also nearly tripping.
Him just need a little Ogga push. Watch this. Pour it, let it flow, the fish will never know.
Pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it.
Pour it, let it flow, the fish will never know.
Pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it.
The fizzy drinks got terrible smoke.
And the picnic stink as well.
Enjoy, fishies. See nothing, no such thing as Ogga Loggas. On your ear, it's well, it looks strange. What do you mean? I feel no change. It's sort of pointed, and it looks rather red. Only from hearing all the silly words you said. Should, will you please look? It's now a different size. You're right, Polly, maybe I am an Ogga in disguise. Oh! This forest must be messing with your head. Forget the glitter, and let's just play instead. Okay, you're it. Sean, stop it, Sean! It's not funny! All right, then I guess you don't want this back. All right, I'm gonna get you.
Logga, Logga, run little children, run. For the Ogga frost with their fun.
The damage can be undone.
Come and watch me make you break the tree. Watch this. Throw it, or can the ashy not Logga reach it there? Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. Throw it, or can the ashy not Logga reach it there? Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. Logga, Logga.
Sean, that was stupid. That really wasn't fun. Now you made me lose my place. Where was I? Ah, yes, page one. What's wrong with your nose? Nothing. Let me see. I must have been stung by a bee. I don't think that's a bee sting. Your nose has sprouted hair. But I wear the dandelion seeds floating through the air. Never mind my nose. What's up with your hair? What do you mean? I do not understand. I've never seen your hand before. Looks so much like a monster's claw. Ah! What's happening to me? You don't think? No. No, it can't be. I don't think we should play anymore. We're not in our local bar. Come on, Sean, let's go. It's beginning to get dark. Do you smell that? No, what do you smell? A picnic. Phooey! It stinks! And the river reeks of fizzy drinks. I don't know what you smell, but I'm getting quite afraid. It's really time to leave. I sense danger in this glade. Wait, I can make it smell good. Sean, it's nearly too late.
Ogga, Logga, Ogga, Logga, Ogga, Logga. One more Ogga head to head.
Grow a Logga tail.
Go on, make him poison Ogga air. little Loggas spray. Spray it. One little Loggas smell away, just one little Loggas spray.
You're Ogga
Now must we honor before and we not be Oggas no more.
Run, Sean, run away! Let's see Ogga what they got to say.
You like it when she shouts?
No, Ogga!
She fear and we down!
No, Ogga! Sean, I'm trying to help you out! Ogga!
And you can be free.
Ogga!
Come and joy a three.
Sean, please, it's for me!
Ogga Loggas free, Ogga Loggas free, free, Ogga Loggas free, Ogga Loggas free, free, free. No more closes, no more taskers in our Joseph,
And no more bossy sister, and no more picking litter. Why, I'm still a beast!
why the curse not yet released? Why we still the same? Why we still the same? You're to blame, you're to blame, blame, blame.
When we fought violence, we restored!
No one's here who say for Ogga curse your way. No one's who made for make us win again.
Sean, but they're distracted. Let's get out of here if we keep them. First break, perhaps the coast will clear. Not now, Polly. This Ogga important. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ogga, one, go!
5, baby 5, such nature you want for.
So maybe the girl take my place.
And you'll go free.
Sean, please help me.
No, I've been Ogga longest. I need it more. You know what that's all about. Was him. You lot really boring.
Was him.
Was
What about me?
Don't you hate him, no?
I thought we'd meet up on. Now we're gonna be friends.
act like Ogga forever. We look for others. Maybe you. Yes, Ogga chosen be out there.
Honey, Ogga, what a
Earth here. We just have to Ogga wait. So we'll Ogga celebrate. Make sure to treat the world nicely, nicely. Oh, take a place, Ogga